fluid ounces sounds like a lot, but it's what you need. Minimum. So if you have a really active day, like what we're doing here, if you're out in the sun sweating, like we're doing here, if you're eating cooked foods, like we're doing, guess what? You need to up your water intake. If you pee in a urinal and the water is orange, you're dehydrated. If you feel thirsty, you're dehydrated. All right? So first things first, water. Water is detoxifying. You're getting that oxygen into your body, and it'll make you look really nice and young. So how do you get this water into your system? First thing when you wake up, drink your water. Break fast. Break fast. Breakfast. Your body does so much when you're sleeping. It's repairing cells, new cells are being produced, all that stuff that you ate throughout the day, hopefully you didn't eat too close to your bedtime, is now being broken down, and you need to flush all those toxins out of your body. So before you put anything in your mouth, you should have water. Now, if you want to intensify the quality of that water, you could add some awesome things that we might not recognize because we're in a different country and they look a little bit different. Is lime, lemon, or raw apple cider vinegar. Although these things look acidic in our mind, like when we think of acids, we think these are acids, they actually have an alkalining effect on our body. An alkaline body means less disease, less inflammation. The more water you drink, a lot of inflammation that we deal will be eliminated. If I do a really intense yoga practice and I'm dehydrated, I am sore. I'm so sore the next day compared to if I'm actually hydrated. So your goal is to have very light urine. You know, it may be dark if you took like a multivitamin, but your urine shouldn't, because if your urine is coloring the water and you're urinating into a gallon of water, that means you're super dehydrated. And that has an impact on your kidneys and things like that. Okay, water. So you start your day off, you drink your water. Drink 2 glasses. Bam. What do we do for breakfast? Do we have that T-bone steak, hash browns, and pancakes that I used to love? Is that what we're gonna do? No. So what in general, what do you guys have for breakfast? Because this is a conversation. I'm not gonna just lecture you. Cereal.
Lemon lime water.
Lemon lime water. And what else do you have for breakfast, Daphne?